Greeting of today. My name is Ankit Malviya, and today I am going to introduce about the solid waste management as a global challenge and impact review. So introduction is the basic part of the solid waste management is a discarded material, that is example for the garbage, refuse, rubbish and trash. So waste management is nothing but we go for the waste management, then we have to go for the proper disposal of a waste without any hazards to the environment as well. So what is the purpose of this? So to isolate the waste from the humans and the environment and safeguard individual, families and the community health. What is the importance of this? If solid waste is not properly managed, it may cause many hazards, environmental impacts, climate change, emission of greenhouse gases. When organic waste decomposes in the landfill and uncontrolled dumps, it produces the methane as well. So what are the sources and the classification of the solid waste? As we all know about the sources, industrial, commercial, agricultural waste, these are the sources of the waste generation. But the classification which is depend on the quality of the waste is to be like a hazardous waste is to be non-hazardous waste, so biodegradable and non-biodegradable too. It will be depend on the quality of the waste which is to be generated at the from the source. So what are the challenges in the developing countries? So inadequate management, as you all know about it. Uncontrolled dump sites, problems with the governance, with the complicated situations, means some political issues, rapid urbanization, lack of awareness in the society as well. So these are the some of the challenging in the developing countries. And what are the some basic principles of the solid waste management is generally we all know about it, 3 R's of the waste management, that is reduce, reuse, recycle. The very important point which is the name is the recovery, which is nothing but is the 4 R's. So recovery of some valuable material, which is can be extracted the material from some extracting material from the waste, which is nothing but as in recovery. So now we have introducing about the 4 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recovery is one of the most important while we go for the waste management system. Functional element of the solid waste management, that is the generation of the waste, storage, collection, transfers, and the transport, processing, and recovery and disposal. So the main important, which is the processing and recovery, is very important while we go for the treatment facilities, because which will deciding the which type of treatment we have to given. So what are the availability of the treatment? So we go for the technologies available for the processing, treatment, and disposal of the solid waste. Composting, vermicomposting, waste to the energy, anaerobic digestion, biomethanation, incineration, pyrolysis, and those material which is having the good calorific value, go for the RDF and the pelletization. This is one of the best method of the resource recovery. And next is the sanitization, sanitary landfills and recycling. Next part we go for the factors governing the choice of technology. So generally the technology which is depend on the quality of materials, quality of the waste which is to be generated, and the which type of technology we have to use. For example, there is a high calorific value of a waste, so we go for the RDF. Pelletization is the good technology, we can go for it. Hazardous, we go for the incinerator. Some of the various technology which is depend on the waste of generation. What are the benefits of that? Economic benefit, when we talk about the economic benefit, it means to resource reuse, treatment and disposal, and creating the market for the recycles. So that is an economic benefits. And second, social benefit, by reducing the adverse impact on the health by proper waste management practice. Go for the environmental benefits, so it will improve, provide the air and water quality, and helps in the reduction of greenhouse emissions. Integrated solid waste management is a comprehensive waste prevention, recycling, composting and disposal program. Means it gives you to how to manage your waste, solid waste, in the ways that most effectively protect the human health and the environment. So it is a which type of recycling, which type of material we have to recovery, which of the technologies we have to adopt it. So everything is given by the integrated solid waste management system. Now we go for the conclusion. Solid waste management includes all the activity that seeks to minimize the health, environmental and aesthetic impacts of the solid waste. An effective integrated solid waste management system consider how to prevent the recycle and manage solid waste in that way most effectively protect the health and the environment. Awareness needs to be created at a grassroots level to improve the present situation, and programs should have an active components of actions taken while awareness created. References, those are the some of the references we have taken from this review, and thank you.